Hey guys, Dennis here with Tactical Walls. I want to show you our two newest additions to our product line. These are the 1420s. A couple different variations you have here. This is the chalkboard style. So this one opens using a hinge. So again, with the N52 magnet, the N52 can be kept up on top. It's the same size as a quarter. So you can leave it up there. It's not big and bulky or have to worry about anybody seeing it while it's up there. But to open it, just slide it down to the side. It'll grab on where it needs to be as soon as it hits the back side of that magnetic lock. Give it a tap on the face and it opens up left or right, right or left, depending on how you want to mount it. This is perfect for leaving it around the house. It goes well in a kitchen, in a family room, or anywhere else where you want to leave notes for other people. This one is pretty much the same thing, has the same guts and everything, but this one is a slider. This one, same magnetic opening. This one here, the way we've got it positioned is on the side, but this one is a slider. Opens left or right or left, again, depending on how you mount it. Same features. The advantage to this one is it allows you to move it against a wall, where obviously if this were the slider, you'd be hitting here. This one, you'd have to leave this area open so you couldn't have light switches, outlets, or anything such as that. No pictures. But they're both fantastic ways to position your firearms around the house where you need them, when you need them. But hope you like it. You'll find these products and many more on our website, tacticalwalls.com. Thank you for watching.